Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this newly listed 3-bedroom, 2-bath up at the top of town for a client. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're over here at 3240 Hidden Valley Drive. This one was just listed for $532. Nice little remodel. Great area, kind of the top of Palo Verde. Have a new home going in next door. Bunch of vacant land across the street. Not exactly sure what the zoning is on that. Might be dead, might be single family. City could own it. Have a killer lake shot from down the street. About what it really looks like right there. So this is being used as a vacation rental right now, and just kind of sneaking in here before tomorrow when it's rented for the weekend. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2000, 1,552 square feet. Sits on your standard 10,600 square foot lot. Just listed for $532. Currently being used as a vacation rental. So it is a open floor plan, split bedroom layout, slider out to the backyard. They have done some remodeling. Looks like they did the floors, paint, granite top counters. Eat-at kitchen counter. Stainless appliances. RO water at the sink. Looks like they just did the refurbish on the cabinets. Nice little dining area over here. So you have your garage access off the entry right here, and then the master and laundry on one side of the house. You have your indoor laundry and your master suite has a slider out to the backyard. Ceiling fan, vaulted ceilings, pot shelves. So you got a nice master bath, granite tops, dual sinks, has a skylight. You have your walk-in closet. Bathroom has its own door, or the toilet rather. You have your tiled walk-in shower. All right, so you have the other 2 bedrooms and a guest bath on the other side of the house. This would be guest bedroom number 1 at the rear of the house. So they did the vinyl plank flooring throughout the whole house. There's no carpet. So you have your little guest bath, granite tops. So you have a little linen closet, and then bedroom number 3 at the front of the house, which would be guest bedroom number 2. All right, let's go check out the garage and the backyard. All right, so you have a 3-car garage. Says it has a 49-foot boat deep bay, so I'm assuming that's the boat deep side over here. I'm not sure how deep this 2-car side is. So this is the 49-foot bay. They got the boat blocking it, so. Both 8-foot doors. Have your water softener. place for a utility sink, hot water. So you have a full-length covered back patio. Backyard is fully fenced. Doesn't look like it goes all the way to the property line, but it is pool barrier regulation height, so you could throw in a pool back here real easy. You can see the property line goes back to the telephone poles and the utility easement there. Looks like the air conditioner is new. Looks like the house next door is going to be pretty nice with a drive-through bay. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Hidden Valley. Again, this one was just listed for $532. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.